everyone! Today I will be trying something I found at the grocery store, and it is called Calpico. And it's non-carbonated, it's a soft drink, and it has the original flavor, and that's about all I know. And it's opaque. Okay, you can see the light through it a little bit, but yeah. But on the cap it says Calpis. Okay. And that's about it as far as first looks go. But yeah. Got barcode, nutrition, so let's open this. And of course it's non-carbonated, so you're not going to hear that. And let's pour it in this glass. So it definitely is opaque. And looks somewhat like skim milk or soy milk. Well, it definitely smells like more citrusy Sprite. Oh dear. Looks like I spilled. Don't tell nobody about that. Now, let's get to actually tasting this thing. Tastes like citrus. Becky.
Wipe it up.
It tastes more like lactose than you would think. So it starts like citrus and it ends like lactose, and you're like, so in a nutshell, I think I would drink the rest of this.